Hi, my name is Jorge.
My name is Annelise.
We're here at the Noyes Arts Garage and we're here to take a tour of the community garden.
The Ducktown Community Garden is a part of Stockton University, located right next door to the Noyes Arts Garage in Atlantic City. We welcome the whole community to contribute, working in the garden, and all are welcome to harvest from the garden.
We have lots of lettuce planted, and we have some new little babies over here. Planted marigolds to help prevent pests.
When we do harvest, so anybody's welcome to walk in and take what they would like. Usually you'll see me outside working in the garden, or our other worker, Jorge, but we also have a lot of interns who work out there as well.
We have a bunch of mint growing.
Our zucchini's doing great. It just started blossoming yesterday.
Engineers Without Borders came to the Noyes Arts Garage here in AC to help us build raised garden beds for our community garden. And doing this allowed them to not only practice their craft, but also to give us more potential space in our garden. The garden beds are more accessible now, so anybody in the community can come and work on it if they feel the desire to.
We have grape tomatoes planted. And over here we have eggplant and kale. We have a couple different varieties of tomatoes planted, and we have different varieties of basil as well.
The community always is appreciative of what we're doing here in Ducktown. I always get comments when I'm working outside, "Oh, the garden looks so beautiful," or "I really respect what you're contributing to our community." And it's very nice to be able to be outside and have these conversations with, the regular people who live around here.
We have plenty of peppers planted, and over here is our herb section. We have cilantro, rosemary, oregano, thyme, and dill. And don't forget the jalapenos.
We want to give a special thank you to the Rutgers Master Gardeners Program and then the Rowan Engineering team for helping us build these plant beds.
I think our community garden will leave a lasting impact on the community because it seems to be bringing people together right now. I'll see people eating their lunch at our picnic table in the garden, or walking by, appreciating it, taking pictures. It's a nice way to get the community together and enjoy something as a whole.